So just a quick update on one of my own toys, the Capri racing car. So going to be its first actual racing outing this weekend. I've now done plenty of testing in it and the car's all good. Everything seems to work fine and I've not got any further issues with anything. So yeah, hopefully it'll do well. Just as a reminder, it's a 3-litre Essex engine that's been bored out to a 3.1. It's got a single IDA carburettor, 48 IDA. It's all been, I've built the engine all here, tuned it all here, built the car here. It was originally a written off Capri, been driven into the side of. My friend gifted me the car actually. And then I bought another car, like half of a car, took loads of panels off it and cuts off of that car and welded it into this one to make it what it is now. So it's all a good strong shell. It's had a roll cage fitted, harnesses, seats. It's got a custom made aluminium racing tank, petrol tank in the boot. And a bulkhead to cover that to apply it meets with the regulations. It's got LSD at the back. It's got various suspension components I've put on the front as well, like coilovers, poly bushes, rose joints, adjustable TCAs, that sort of thing. So yeah, hopefully it'll do very well.